Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. In this tutorial I'll be demonstrating how to create these chocolate balls. I apologise in advance for my nasally voice, I am sick at the moment. These are silicone moulds that I bought from Bakels. You can find these online as well, and I'm taking a brush and adding some edible luster dust by Creative Cake Decorating. It's like a really nice burgundy pink. I'm also going over with some gold as well. As a final touch, I've added some white chocolate, a little bit of oil, and some teal by Americolor gel food colour. The oil was added there so that my chocolate doesn't seize. And it also gives me a little bit more time to decorate with because it's a little bit more fluid. Pop it into a piping bag and then pipe 2 rows back and forth over each row of cavities here. You can clear off the excess before adding on your white chocolate. This is just regular white chocolate melted. Again, I have added a little bit of oil, maybe about a tablespoon or so, just so that I have a bit more time to play around with it. With a spatula, just moving it and spraying it into those cavities. You can swipe off any excess white chocolate and then pop that into your fridge to set for at least 15 minutes. These pop out really nicely, and because it is silicone, they end up having a really pretty shiny kind of sheen on the surface. I also did the same thing with larger molds as well. So I'm just spooning my chocolate directly into the cavities there. You could try to make these hollow. Because it is so flexible, it's a little bit more difficult. I'd recommend using the polycarbonate molds if you want to make these hollow, which they do sell in half spheres as well. To stick these together, I have a bowl with some boiling hot water and I'm popping a cookie tray over the top. This will heat up the surface of the metal, and then you can just touch your chocolates underside onto the tray and that'll melt down the chocolate. I kind of had them rotating in circular motion so that I get a nice even flat surface on the bottom of my spheres. Touch them together, that'll press out any excess chocolate and then just wipe it down with your finger. And you have perfect little spheres. Do the exact same thing with your larger ones as well. Granted, you don't have to stick them together. These look really nice as half spheres placed flat on the top of your cake. Clear up that lip, and if you had a bit of lip on there that didn't quite it set before you could wipe it off, just kind of move that on the cookie tray and that'll kind of shave that down for you, melt it down. And you're done. And that is how you make really colourful and easy to do chocolate balls. You can add this onto your cakes, you can add them on like a dessert table or as party favours. Leave some, if you can, unstuck, so just like this, and you can lay them flat on your cake, so it kind of looks like it has a sphere coming off it. And I will catch you guys again on Tuesday. If you enjoyed this video tutorial, don't forget to subscribe. We upload a new video every Tuesday.